On Tuesday night, India Today put out the findings of the Lokniti CSDS opinion poll, and while it projected that NDA has an edge, the cause of concern is that Nitish Kumar's popularity is dipping. Interestingly, the mood on the ground also suggests that Bihar voters are extremely satisfied with the performance of the Modi government. Starting 23rd of October, the Prime Minister will begin his Bihar blitz, addressing 12 rallies over 12 days. Will it now be completely upon Prime Minister Modi to again do the heavy lifting for the NDA? Is Nitish Kumar now Modi Barose?
An extraordinary election amidst a raging pandemic. And the worst ever economic slowdown. Strong headwinds for Nitish Kumar seeking a straight fourth term. A pre-poll survey by Lokniti CSDS suggests more voters don't want to see him back as Chief Minister than those who do. The poll shows young, crowd-pulling opposition leader Tejasvi Yadav catching up fast with the Chief Minister on popularity charts. There are many challenges besides anti-incumbent sentiments. The Chief Minister is facing opposition from within the NDA he's part of at the centre.
नीतीश जी दहाई का भी आंकड़ा पार कर लें तो बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि होगी। इतना प्रेडिक्ट तो जरूर कर सकता हूं कि मौजूदा मुख्यमंत्री 10 नवंबर के बाद दोबारा कभी प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री नहीं बनेंगे।
But BJP and JDU are putting up a strong front together.
इस बिहार में भारतीय जनता पार्टी और जनता दल की यह जोड़ी जो है, यह कैसी जोड़ी है? जैसे क्रिकेट में सचिन और सहवाग की ओपनिंग जोड़ी थी, वैसे ही यहां बिहार की राजनीति में भारतीय जनता पार्टी और जनता दल यू की जोड़ी है।
तुम वोट हमसे लिए हो, बचोट हमको दिए हो, औनी पौनी बातें चौके खोट मन में लिए हुई का किए हो भैया। दिन भर की मेहनत करके हम थके चूर बा।
Enough ammunition for the opposition alliance to attack the Chief Minister in the election.
Seeking a fourth term on the seat of the Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar is possibly facing his weakest election. His popularity waning, cracks appearing in his own coalition and relentless attacks from the opposition. The Chief Minister is also marred with the woes of the migrant laborers and the callous attitude and the handling of the government during the corona pandemic. Now all eyes would be on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and Nitish Kumar would be hoping that Modi's charisma, which is intact in Bihar, is possibly going to be enough to take the Gathbandhan through the Chief Minister's chair.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi still shines bright in Bihar, no matter the surge in the coronavirus caseload and shuttered businesses. The Modi government's popularity among Bihar voters is far higher than the popularity of Nitish Kumar in the state. The Prime Minister is scheduled to hold 12 rallies in Bihar for NDA candidates. Starting October 23rd to November 3rd, Prime Minister Modi's events are spread across Bihar. The ball's now in the voters' court. NDA's first electoral trial during the pandemic, apparently on the back of the Modi magic. With Ankit Tyagi in Patna, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.